Okay, Ben, what's the significance of the five-line skink in Minnesota?
And the five-line blue-tailed skink is kind of a neat animal. This little lizard fellow that, growing up we saw them everywhere, and just kind of thought them just part of our environment and habitat. But in the early 1980s, the Minnesota Waste Management Board had decided that they wanted to move hazardous materials into the river bottom by boring holes down into the crystalline bedrock and then they store it there. They felt it would be somewhat of a safe environment for hazardous waste. And just so happened at the same time, a friend of ours, Professor Jeff Lang from North Dakota, was doing a study on the five-line blue-tailed skinks. And it turns out that the five-line blue-tailed skinks at that time was a species of interest, or that close to that threatened species. And so through his work and through an organization called MinFair, we lobbied very hard to make sure that hazardous materials didn't come into the Minnesota River Valley and be put into the crystalline bedrock. But this little buddy of ours, this little five-line blue-tailed skink, was very instrumental in that because they're only found, so much to say, in this region or in this area, and that would have something to do, we felt, with disrupting its natural habitat or its environment. And it turned out we never did get the hazardous material put on our crystalline bedrock, and we still see the little five-line blue-tailed skinks running around all summer long. So here's a little story for you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
He's like, I'm
Sitting in his food.
Oh, that's really cool.
Any five-line skinks around here? Thanks.
Turn down for what?
The blue ones are like,
I hate
we don't like this. But they're all still good. Except this one, he's dead.
Like, seriously, I'm gonna...
Oh, they're terrible. In my play, it's been $170.
Don't look at me.
Nice. They're gonna love this. Open up. I know. Don't open it up too far. Eat up. Eat. There. They can nibble on that. Eat. 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 They would. Couple more.
Find some food for you. Where'd you get those critters?
Wilmer.
Sweet.
They're all like, ooh, what is this?
Some crickets.
Look, he's eating it, Clint. You can see it. It's working.
Do they need any water?
Yeah, we're wetting these.
Okay.
So they need a little water. Okay. Don't put it on any of the crickets because they might not be able to get out of the wetness.
Joe, we got more sugar.
They're actually eating it.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Hopefully the crickets have survived, or will survive. Our restoration process has lowered because of the weather. The snow's been keeping us behind, but The weather looks like it's clearing up now, so we're good to go. A lot more
You're
alive.
free. You're free, dude.
Some hot country canine fun. And southeast winds could gust in the mid-20s. Rain and snow tonight, possibly mixed with sleet and then becoming all snow after midnight. Total accumulation no less than an inch. Getting cold for us.
Never got a fair feature.
So, what have we been doing so far for our science project?
Well, we picked the animal, creature that we wanted to restore the habitat. First, it was a difficult choice. We didn't really know what we wanted to restore the habitat for, but then Mr. Suter told us that we should just probably like skink. So we looked into it, did some research on it, decided that we wanted to restore their habitat. So we went out, found a good spot, good location to restore. And we looked up what they ate. We got some crickets. This pet shop bought some crickets for their habitat. And now it's only matters of the weather clearing up before we actually get out there and restore it. Because the weather just kind of made like a wall, like blocked us, and we can't get outside and restore right now. We only have like a week left before our project's due, so we're really hoping that the weather clears up and we can restore the habitat. That sounds very cool. Yeah. That's where we are right now. We're just waiting for this dang weather to clear up.
Good. Then raspberries.